Hello Year 10. Today we're going to be changing the subject of a formula. Now for these questions we are going to make x the subject of the formula. Now that just means we're going to make it say either x equals or equals x. So that's what we want it to say at either one end or the other. So I'm going to start off with an example here, okay? So let's say we have y equals x plus 5, okay? Now that basically means I'm going to move everything away from the x. So I'm going to do it by taking this 5 and moving it across. And remember, I use the phrase swap side, swap sign. So plus 5 becomes minus 5. So we're going to end up with y minus 5 equals x. And there we go, we have our equals x, so that's us done. Okay? So we'll go with another one. Y equals 3x plus 7. Okay? Now, this time we've got a 3 in front of the x and we've got a 7. I would have said that we always use BIDMAS backwards. Okay, so is there any subtracting or addition? And if there is, that's what we'll move first. Okay, and as you can see, we have a plus 7, so we'll move that away. Move that over there. So we're going to have y minus 7 equals 3x. And then we want to take this 3 that's being multiplied by the x and we want to move it to the other side. Okay, and whenever we move it to the other side, it becomes a divide. So we can just say y minus 7 all divided by 3 equals x. And again, we've got our equals x, so that's us done. Another example could be 5x minus 6 equals y plus 4. So, again, if there's any adding or taken away, that'd be the first thing that we should move away from the x. So this minus 6 is going to come over here and it's going to become plus 6. So I'm going to have 5x equals y. Well, at a minute it says plus 4. I'm going to add on another 6. So I'm just going to say plus 10. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this 5, which is being multiplied by the x across, and it's going to divide. So I'm going to have x equals y plus 10, and that's going to all be divided by 5. We've got our x equals, so that's us done. Let's take another example. 6x plus 4 over 2 equals y. Okay, so there's a bit more going on in this one again. Now really, because this 6x plus 4 is all being divided by 2, okay, it's like we've got a set of brackets around it. Okay, so for that reason, we have to move the divided by 2 first, even though we really want to move the 4. The bracket sort of negates that. So the divided by 2 goes to the other side and it becomes multiply. So we're going to have 6x plus 4 equals 2y. Then we're going to move our plus 4 and it's going to become minus. So 6x equals 2y minus 4. And then finally this 6 is being multiplied by the x, it's going to go across, and whenever we change multiply, it becomes divide. So x equals 2y minus 4 all divided by 6. I'm going to do one last example, okay, before I go. 2y plus 4 equals 8 minus x. Okay? Now, if I were to move the 8 across, it wouldn't say equals x or x equals. It would say equals minus x, and I don't want it to say that. So because of that, the first thing I'm going to move is I'm going to move this x over to the other side, and that's going to make it positive. Okay? So, by doing that, I'm going to have 2y plus 4 plus x equals 8. Okay? Now, I can either move the 4 across or the 2y. It doesn't really matter which one I'm going to do first. I'm just going to decide to move the 4. So plus 4 is going to become minus 4. So I'm going to have 2y plus x equals, well, 8. Take away 4 just leaves me with 4. And then I'm going to move this 2y across. Now, there's no sign in front of the 2y, but because there is no sign, I know that it's positive. So whenever it goes to the other side, it's going to become negative. So I'm going to be left with x equals 4 minus 2y. Okay? Right, guys, I've left a wee worksheet for you that you can have a go at, and the answers will be uploaded later on today. I would like you all to have a go at the red and the amber. If you feel up to it, can you also have a go at the green? Okay, good luck, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye bye.